Hello friends, welcome to SaltySmiles. My name is Alan, this is Bon, and on this lovely day, we are making a McSPOREO! Spam, Oreo, and McDonald's joined forces to create this magical, one time only, one day only Spam burger. The Spam Oreo burger is 2 extra thick slices of Spam, canned cooked pork made by Hormel Food Corporations, topped with Oreo crumbs and the brand's classic burger sauce, but I think it's just mayonnaise. Everyone who ate it said it's just mayonnaise. The announcement on McDonald's China's website described the taste of the Oreo and Spam burger as tender and
juicy,
full of meatiness, and with a hint of sweet aftertaste that amounts to an unimaginable double surprise. So, with that being said, let's get right into making a McSPOREO! So the first thing you're gonna wanna do to make a McSPOREO is get yourself your 4 ingredients. You're going to need Spam and Oreos. You're also going to need the classic McDonald's sesame seed bun and mayonnaise. I'm using Kewpie mayonnaise today because it sounds appropriate. It seems appropriate. So what you're gonna wanna do is cut 2 thick slices of Spam. And after that, you're going to need to crush up some Oreos. I left the filling in. I think that's how it should be. I would leave the filling in. What else are you gonna do with the filling anyways? So you have 2 thick slices of Spam and you have your crushed Oreos. That's all the prep. In a nonstick skillet, I'm gonna fry the Spam until it gets nice and crispy. And I'm also going to take my sesame seed bun and toast it in the same pan as well. That's the cooking. We have some crispy fried Spam. We've got a toasted bun. And here is a very important step I forgot to add. This is a McDonald's burger and we're going to replicate it like McDonald's. So you're gonna need some wax paper or parchment paper because we're gonna wrap this thing. And the reason why fast food burgers taste the way they do is once you wrap it, you're steaming it inside the burger, right? So like all the flavors have time to melt together. And there's also another little step I'm gonna talk about once we assemble this thing. So take your buns and put it on the paper, and we're going to take our lovely crispy fried Spam. Look at that, looks great, doesn't it? And lay it on the bottom bun in a crisscross pattern. I think the pattern really affects this recipe, so make sure you lay it in a nice crisscross. And then we're going to take our Kewpie mayonnaise and spread it all over the top bun, and then just load it with Oreo crumbs. Then flip it over, and you've got a McSPOREO! Huzzah! Now here comes the next part, the most crucial part of McDonald's fast food burgers. It never looks like the picture because they're making it in a hurry and they're smashing it, and that's what makes it taste like that. I don't think you actually want a McDonald's burger to look like the picture because it has to be smashed and handled. So we're going to take this thing, we're gonna wrap it in our wax paper, we're gonna give it kind of a smush, and then the second part of McDonald's is while they're assembling the burger, they slide it down the assembly line as fast as they can. Like as soon as they finish making a burger, they take that burger and just slide it, and it hits this like partition before it gets bagged and handled again and then handled to you. So we're going to replicate this by sliding our McSPOREO against the wall a few times. And this is truly going to ensure that we have quality McSPOREO, McDonald's quality. After all that's said and done, this was a really easy recipe to replicate because it's only 4 ingredients. So I'm excited to see the taste. So let's taste our McSPOREO. You see it? It's like, it's got that fast food, like it's kind of messy, but like it's packaged, but it's messy. I love Oreos. Who doesn't love Oreos? I also really like Spam and mayonnaise. So let's see, let's try. McSPOREO dreams.
Perfect.
McSPOREO loving.
Perfect.
Okay, there we go. This thing's good as what? This is like better than like a Spam like breakfast sandwich, like with egg and Spam on like toast. This is way better. What? Hang on. What? Why is this so good? Get the Spam saltiness, but it's not as salty as Spam normally is because of the Oreos. And then after you finish chewing and it's left your mouth, then you get the chocolate and the sweet. What? Why is this thing is good? The McSPOREO is good, y'all. What?
Perfect.
I have to say that wrapping it is the play. And if you're going to recreate any fast food at home, you really have to take the step of letting it steam in itself, you have to let it steam all together because it really makes it taste more like the fast food. Like Chick-fil-A. You're never gonna make a Chick-fil-A sandwich at home unless you let it steam inside that little bag. It's part of it. It's delicious. Will I make this again? Shocked. I'm a little perplexed that was so good. I'm happy it was so good. That was it, y'all. How to make a McSPOREO. It was delicious. If you want to try it, I totally recommend trying this recipe out. It is so simple to make. If you guys like this video, please let me know. If you make a McSPOREO, or if you were disgusted by how much I loved my McSPOREO, let me know in the comments below. As always, if you want more weekly content, find me on Instagram, SaltySmiles YT. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.